Understanding the difference between head voice and chest voice is crucial for any singer looking to improve their vocal range and technique. Today, we'll explore these two essential vocal registers and how they impact your singing. Vocal registers are ranges of tones in the human voice, produced by the vibrations of vocal folds in the larynx. The two main registers we'll focus on are the chest voice and the head voice. Let's start with the head voice. This refers to a singer's upper register, typically used for higher notes. When you sing in your head voice, your vocal cords naturally shorten to reach those higher pitches. You might feel vibrations in the crown of your head, behind your eyes, and between your ears. The head voice is the highest register before reaching the whistle register, which not all singers possess. It's important to note that head voice is different from falsetto. While both are used for higher notes, falsetto has a lighter, softer sound, almost like a flute. In falsetto, the vocal cords come slightly apart, whereas in head voice, they remain together, producing a more robust quality. Now let's move on to the chest voice. This register covers the middle and lower notes of your vocal range and is typically what you use when speaking. When singing in your chest voice, your vocal folds vibrate across their entire length, creating a fuller, more powerful sound. You might feel vibrations in your chest area. For female singers, using this register with a particularly powerful, resonant quality is often referred to as belting. So, what are the key differences between head voice and chest voice? There are four main distinctions to consider. First, the quality of sound differs. Chest voice tends to have a more pronounced, booming quality, while head voice can be brighter and lighter. Second, they cover different ranges. Head voice spans the higher register, while chest voice covers the lower voice range. Third, the sensation of singing in each register is distinct. As mentioned earlier, you feel chest voice vibrations in your chest, while head voice resonates in the upper part of your head. Lastly, on an anatomical level, thin vocal cords create head voice, while thick vocal cords produce chest voice. It's worth mentioning that there's also a technique called mixed voice, which combines elements of both chest and head voice. This allows singers to blend the strength of chest voice with the range of head voice, providing better control and expanding their vocal capabilities. Understanding these vocal registers and their differences is essential for any singer looking to improve their technique and expand their range. By practicing vocal exercises and working with a vocal coach, you can learn to move comfortably between these registers, enhancing your overall vocal performance.